and welcome to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video I have a new electric pressure cooker I want to show off to you all, and this was sent to me by the BSTY company. Now this is the big 8-quart pressure cooker. This is my first time owning one, so I'm really excited to try it out. It has some really nice features, but before we get into that I want to show you the accessories that come with it. It comes with a nice steam rack. And what I like about this steam rack here is that the legs are a little bit long on it, so that the steam rack doesn't set so low to the bottom of the pot. It sets up a little bit. I like that feature, and I thought it was neat because it has little holes made in the top where you could place eggs. So I thought that was neat. Of course it comes with the little utensils like most of them do, as well as the little plastic measuring cup. But I was surprised to find such a nice recipe book included with this. It is really nice. It has over 100 recipes, and I just thumbed through this book, and they're good recipes. They're not weird recipes like something that you would probably never ever use. But you know, a lot of times when you go spend money on an electric pressure cooker, you might get a little thin booklet with 3 or 4 recipes, and they're just not very impressive. But this has a very nice recipe book with it. I will be making one of the recipes in it today. I'm going to go with their shortcut teriyaki chicken wings. So I'll get to that here in just a minute. It's a simple recipe, and I thought it'd be a great one to try out in an electric pressure cooker. The control panel on this pressure cooker has the buttons and the digital screen, which I like a lot. It has most of the standard settings that you'll find on most electric pressure cookers. However, it does have the cake button, as well as a sterilize button and a pasta button, which I thought that was kind of neat. One thing that made me very impressed about the design in this electric pressure cooker is the simplicity and how easy it is to open up and lay the lid back. When I went to first open this electric pressure cooker, I grabbed it by the handle here, and I was trying to twist the top off that way, and I was overcomplicating. It's much simpler than that. Down here next to the handle, where your little arrow is indicated to show you when your lid is closed and locked or whatever, is this little part here, and you simply just push it with one finger. Slides real easy, and then you lift up the lid. Now this is one thing that really impressed me about this pressure cooker. Although I like that the lid was built into the pot where it would freestand on its own, I thought, what if I need to remove the lid for cleaning? If you notice right here, there's a little plastic bracket, and inside the little plastic bracket there's a little hole cut out for a pin to fit in, and that locks the lid and keeps it from sliding around and moving out of the bracket that holds the lid. So it's very simple to remove. If you notice right up here, there's a little knob, and you will turn and loosen that. Take that off, then push back on your lid and simply swing to the side, and your lid comes right off of there. So I thought that was kind of neat. That is definitely different than your typical pressure cooker. And so let's just replace it and twist their knob back on and tighten it down, and then slide our lid right back into place. And there's the little pin back in the notch. This electric pressure cooker by BSTY also has the nice stainless pot, which I think is probably my most favorite pot for these electric pressure cookers. They're easier to clean, they don't have that non-stick coating you have to worry about, so I really like the stainless pot. I think that was great that when they made this one that they included that stainless pot. So let's go ahead and get started and hook this electric pressure cooker up, and let's fix something to eat in it.